Pero just raining o la cabina también.
It's his cab that's burning. Possibly the fuel tank, it might have just popped. I wonder how far the local fire department is away. Wow.
Hey. Over here at Roseland, everybody, one of the trucks is recording. Yeah, the one
Well, the guy got his truck from next to it anyway.
Wow.
Right next to it, but it's upwind.
Those flames are going high.
He's got something very mild. Oh boy. I hope it doesn't threaten the fuel pumps here.
Uh-oh.
Yeah, I heard that. That could be an aerosol can.
Oh, shit.
That's not good. What's that? Aerosol can.
Oh, shit.
Fire. That sucker's gonna burn to the ground. Well, I think this may get ugly, so I think I'm gonna go get my sandwich.
All right, well, I was on my way.